Okay, so today we're looking at when two lines intersect inside, on, or outside of a circle. So this is the inside intersection situation. And so it can be secants or chords when they're intersecting inside that circle. And there's a relationship between the arcs that were created and the actual angle. So the special thing that we want to see here is that when you add the red arcs together, and then you divide by 2, that will give you angle 1. Essentially, you're just taking the average of the two red arcs. So this is going to be a little bit math notation heavy. So AD, that first red arc, plus BC, that second red arc, all divided by 2 will give you that angle 1. Okay, so again, the measure of the angle formed is equal to half the sum of the measure of those intersected arcs. Okay, so if I'm looking for angle 2 now in blue, the arcs that get created from angle 2 are AB, and then angle 2 is also there because of vertical angles, AB and BC. So the measure of angle 2 is equal to AB plus DC, all divided by 2. So to kind of put that into practice down here, hopefully it'll make a little bit more sense with numbers. So if I'm looking for angle X, the angle that gets created by angle X is 125. I always like to extend the lines. You don't have to, but I like to. So 125 is the first angle, and then angle X is technically right there as well because of those vertical angles. And so I've also got 59 right there. So that measure of angle X is equal to that sum, 125 plus 59, all divided by 2. Adding those up and dividing by 2, I get 92 degrees. If you wanted to work real hard, you could figure out angle Y. If angle X is 92, angle Y, so that red angle and that red angle, would have to add up to 180, making that 88. But that's not actually part of the question. Now we've got also angle X over here. What gets created is 160. And again, by vertical angles, we also have angle X there. So we've also got 90 right there. So again, that angle X, I'm going to add up the two arcs that got created and divide by 2. It's kind of like an averaging concept if that is helping you think about it and in any easier way. Adding those up, I get 250 all over 2. And that gives me that angle X is 125 degrees. There'll be some more videos coming about when we have an intersection on the circle and the intersection outside the circle as well.